1, go. So you go lah. Okay. Assalamualaikum. This is our first topic. Let's try. Okay, our learning objectives is blah blah blah. Right? So yes. And then kalau nak, actually kita boleh tunjuk. Let's say your mouse is what you do in your laptop is captured. Okay, for example, you nak minta dia, you nak tambah anything. Let's say, oh sorry, this is important. Okay. Alah, sorry. Aduhai. Dia selalu ni. Sekejap Okay. Let's say you tengah record ni, and then you ask you do this. It will be recorded. Ya, maknanya anything that you do in your screen, it will be recorded. Okay, let's